My office is a small law office. It's me. I've been practicing for 21 years, almost 22 years now. I started in 1991, and all I've done in those 22 years is Social Security appeals, Social Security disability and SSI appeals, nothing else. I have a paralegal who's been with me for over 10 years, and I have a receptionist, and I have a couple of other support staff, but basically it's me and one paralegal. When I go to court, or when you hire me, I should say, to represent you, you get me for appeals and especially for court, or if necessary, beyond the administrative law judge hearing. With some of the other firms that are out there, there are smaller firms and there are larger firms. There's a lot of advertising going on with big name firms now that promote their size and their success rate and these sorts of things. The problem that I see with some of these firms is that you don't get the attorney behind the firm, at the head of the firm, as your attorney. They have hired many other attorneys and non-attorneys to act as your representative. And so what ends up happening is you never meet the head of the firm. You never meet the attorney that's actually working on your case. In fact, the attorney that's on your case probably didn't even look at your case until the night before your hearing. And so you show up at your court date, and here's someone who's looking for you that you don't recognize them and they don't recognize you, and they may or may not understand what's really going on in your file. When you hire me, I will know everything that's in your file. I personally read every page. I read all of the medical records. I know it inside and out. And what maybe is even more important than that is that when we go to court, the judges that we're facing know me, and they know that I know the file inside and out. And they also know that if they turn us down and they don't award benefits, I'm going to appeal it, and there's a good chance they're going to end up doing it over again next year or whenever it comes back to them. And so I think that has a very significant is a very significant benefit in my ability to represent people and be successful, with the administrative law judges in particular, in the local offices, and even in federal court if we have to go that far.